Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the list of options and find the option called display and brightness, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. Here, by default, probably the automatic brightness will be enabled. If it is, disable it, because if you leave it enabled, you will be able to change the brightness, but it won't stay on the level you set it to, because the watch will basically change it automatically. So if you want to set the brightness level to some specific level and you want it to stay at that level, you will need to disable the automatic brightness. Then you can tap on brightness and then adjust the brightness by swiping on the slider or by using the crown, basically rotating it. So adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.